Guys, so this is how everything turned out. Plate steel down there welded in on the stripper pole. Plate steel up there welded in. Plate steel up there welded in. Flip the RM9s, put them on top of the 7500s. Still got the 7500 stacked. Still got the Reikken HO3642s, 4 from underneath there. Dual inputs on the 7500s. The ZV318s in the monster box. 7 sheets of MDF. We got 7-layer baffle. We got MDF ring ports. We got a 3-layer bottom. We got 2-layer sides. This thing is beast. Had to load it in with the tractor. We gotta load up the box! That's good. Yeah. Gets down.
Space.